here with yeah, here with yeah. Yeah, that's my farm right there. Oh shoot. Ooh, she has two backs. Ow. 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 She hates me. Ow. I had two backs, so everybody's everybody's controlled with toolbox. I like to oh. This makes me fly. I don't know. But you guys join. I'm gonna ask one. Some people I can't. Some. How can I? Ugh, I don't care no more. Kill him. Okay, I will. There he is. There. We're going on the showdown. Yay, Sony. That's what you look like. Oh, nothing. So, like, guys, I can give you stuff, like, I gave them stuff, and apparently she is using toolbox just like me. I'm apparently using nothing. What? I'm not doing nothing. Really? But, guys, I'm just gonna get out. Because they're killing me so much. Ooh. Hope I could join her world. Hope she won't turn on me. Because I have toolbox. I can give her nice. I'm gonna give her like some nice stuff. I give like people flowers. I gave them flower. I gave try to get those to those people. I give. By the way, I give people flowers sometimes to be grateful and. But I don't know what to give. I give flowers to girls to be kind and helpful, but with boys, I don't know what to give boys actually. But I am I'm just gonna get rid of this. Oh yeah, you guys. I'm a I do mob crush for funny moments and stuff. I could record longer on here, and I have a cat right here. You alright? You alright? My cat's named Baby. But you guys, you could join my world. Some reason I can't connect. Okay, now I see. Wow. Who's on? Ellie. Okay. But hey. Hey. Hi. I help him. I help them a lot. Um say hi to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube. Yeah, I just hi YouTube. Hi. That's what they oh, oh. I'm lagging or something. Sometimes I watch. Sometimes I like to watch people build and stuff like that. Apparently, without the front, you could be able to see that. See, well, it's just like just heads other, just a heads other online player. What? Ah, come on! Every time when I walk or something, that I end up uh, like being in their skins, and I'm trying to like back up and try to get out of them. It happens a lot to me, cause like breaking or when I'm walking, sometimes it happens, cause I don't like when it happens. What they're building? Apparently they're building something. What are they building? um. Oh yeah. Channel name. Well, if you don't put the creeper, but the channel of Mob Crush. Oh, what's your channel? LOL. Whoa, her brain. Ah. Sometimes I have two channels too. I subscribe my old channel. Apparently, back then I used to wear a chicken skin. It was funny. Canada, and found a little copy of my chicken skin. Just watching baby sleeping. Baby is sleeping next to me. If you don't know who is baby, it's a cat. It's my cat. I remember when she used to be a kitten. We used to have her as a kitten. She's cute when she's asleep. She's like wrap around a circle her paw is like like up on one face of her, one on up on one of her face. And listen, she's just laying down, kitty. She's wrapped around and she's sleeping. She's cute. She sleeps. She's a lovable kitten too. She's a lovable cat. I just call her a kitten because I remember I used to have her as a kitten. Well, I don't know how. She's like probably around child age, like 1 or 2 or 3 years old. Woo! You can build. I know, I know. You've been telling me that ever since yesterday when you can build something. I know you told me that yesterday. Oh, sometimes that happens. I put a money sign for no some reason. I accidentally put a money sign. I meant to put X capital X capital D, but instead I put oh yeah LOL. Wow. E. She told me that since yesterday too. Ooh, she left. I don't know. But she did laugh. I don't know. No, I don't know what I don't know what. Well, I don't know if I'm allowed to tell the server IP to this. Don't know where this is going. Think this is the jail? Wait, is this the jail? Is this the prison? What is this? What is this? I think this is a jail. Yep, jail cell. I see the bed. If I would have slipped, I'd just teleport. They had a night. Oop. Plug it. Yeah. Game speed. X-ray. Wait, did I? I need to find. Yeah, that's what I need. There we go. Ah, shoot, no. I actually did build this little a little portal thing. Oh, it's warp. Yet post a warp. Wait, did they? Ah. Oh, it's mine's down here. I don't know if I'm allowed to I don't have nothing. That's spawn. Okay. Um. Okay. So it says okay. You need to read the rules too. It's important to read the rules so you don't end up banned. but no cussing, or you're blocked. Well, they're supposed to put banned, but because there's no way you can block no one. No asking for op. You need to be, you have to donate to be op. Yeah, I know that. 'Cause almost every server they have this. Okay, no grief to anything made by the owner and people. Yeah. Spawn protection. It's not build. Free build. Yeah, you need to teleport free build. That's where it ends up. I don't know why I crouch, but it looks good in this map when it like this. Oh no! Oh wait, someone's on. Someone. Wait, what? Ah, no one's on. Me? She just went on my server. Hey, Ellie. Okay. So what's this? Uh, oh yeah, I do some still stuff, but if you guys want, and toolbox actually works in realms too. So like, if you want me to give you some free stuff, I can. So you don't have to go in creative. I'll be in your realm, and I could help out. Or if anyone like, I do know most of the people gets some on a other server. Well, you saw me on it, but that server I was on earlier in the beginning. Apparently, she hated me for no reason. I didn't do nothing wrong. Just toolbox. It's no hack. It's just to add blocks, get you some stuff instead of like going creative. Get it? It's just a little. What? Did you? What? What? Never mind. Let's go back. When I was walking, apparently I walked down here and first she put a block on my way, then I jump over it. But it was funny. It was so funny. But oh yeah, I want to show. If you go on server, if you read the rules, there's like one bonus. There's like a bonus rule. So so you go on that. If you see the bonus rule, I didn't put it there, but my friend did. It's funny. Like I, she like put that there. It says need some milk. Eh, I don't. I don't even do that. I don't answer that. Really, I don't want to. I think that's a PlayStation because I see cells. I don't know, but oh yeah, most servers I'm a cop. Most of us I'm a cop, so I keep protection of the server, keep them from hacking. But it's kind of fun. Hello, Ali. Hello, Ali. Ali, hello. What are you doing there, Ali? What are you doing there? What are you doing? What are you doing, Ali? What are you doing? I just want to do this. Crazy dance. Yeah, crazy dance. Apparently, what? I am making like a series. I am making a good series like I think city. We'll call it citycraft, I guess, or citycraft roleplay. Cause I don't know if you guys will like it. I don't know, but but um, but if you don't know why, if you don't know why my server is called Yandere, I'm making a Yandere High School there, but apparently I want some donators so I could be able to get more plugins and keep the server running and put like what 215 players and stuff like that. What are you doing? What are you building something in front of me or something? Are you, are you building? Are you building something? She laughed. Oh, can't go this. Yeah, I can't go this far. Cause I can't go here. It'll teleport me back. I hear fly. I hate flies. But guys, have fun. And by the way, love this video. Comment. Invite me to your realm. I'll put my gamer tag in description below, so you don't, so you can to bail to invite me to your realm. I'll help you out with the toolbox, cause you can be able to go online. Eh? Just talking to someone else, but look, toolbox launcher. Go here, realms, join realm. Building terrain. Okay. Yeah, then the spawn. Yeah, I have toolbox. So look, I do this. See? And it's night too. So I'm gonna fall asleep, make it day. So enjoy this video. If you guys want to invite me to your world, or if you want me in your world, or or a realm, just comment me. Just comment me. Tell me you have invite me to the realm, so I could help you guys out in later coming up Citycraft, cause I'm making a role play. If you guys want to be able to be in it, join my server and you could probably be in my server role play. So see you guys later in the next video or my season episode.